When you add screw holes in the Fusion GridfinityGenerator add-in, they are for some reason faced into the bin rather than into yourself or your toolbox. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse that. Here's what you normally get. The chamfer for the screw clearly the wrong way if you want to secure the base to your drawer. And here's what I normally want. Notice I also use the magnet cutouts to really embed the screws. So let me show you a very fast way to reverse the screw holes in the GridfinityGenerator from this to this in one of my quick tips. Open the base generator and set your desired size. I just set it for 2 and 1. If you want magnet cutouts, select that feature. Now select the screw hole feature and click OK. Open the entire timeline by clicking the plus sign. Look for a simple cylinder extrude followed by a chamfer. Right-click and select Edit. Delete the profile and select a new profile using the small cylinder. Right-click the chamfer and select Edit. Click on the large cylinder edge and enter 1.5 millimeter. Click OK. You are done. A link to the full version of this is in the description. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you want more.